percentages increase or decrease by a given percentage. Let's do example 1. First we're going to use non-calculator method. Because we need to find 5%, so it's a good idea if we find 10% first. So we say 10% of 280, which is £28. Then 5% of 280, just half of this, which is £14. So the new earning is the original amount, 280, then we minus 14, and that gives us £266. If you're using a calculator, then the original amount that's 100%, which is 280. Then the new amount, because a reduction of 5%, so it's 100 minus 5%, which is 95%. So this is the 95% is the factor. So we need to find 95% of 280. Then we change to decimals, we'll just divide by 100, so it's 0.95. Then just multiply by using a calculator 280, and you get the answer 266. Let's do example 2. So the non-calculator method, because we want to find 4%, so we find 1% of 840, which is you move 2 decimals to the left, so that's £8.40. Then 4%, whatever 1%, you have to multiply by 4. So if we say £8.40 multiplied by 4, 40, this is 0, 4 times 4 is 16, then we carry 1 and put the dot here. 4 times 8 is 32, 32 plus 1 is 33. Then the total amount after 1 year is the original amount plus this interest, which is 33.60. Now we add so the total amount after 1 year is equal to £873.60. If you're using a calculator, then so original amount is 100%, which is 840. New amount, which is 104%. So when you go left to right, we just multiply by this factor here. So we'll be looking for 104% of 840. Change that to decimals is 1.04. And from the calculator we get the answer 800 73.60. When you're using a calculator, or you can write 104% as a fraction, then you multiply the original amount, so you will get the same answer. Now do this exercise yourself when you've done it, then check the answers. Here are the answers. So using the calculator method, if you're increasing by 8%, so your multiplying factor is £1.08, and you get your answer. If you're increasing by 11%, so your multiplying factor is £1.11. Now if you're decreasing by 40%, so the remaining from 100% to be 60%, so that means the amount multiplied by 60 pence. If you're reducing by 25%, so it's like 75 pence left from pound, so your multiplying factor is 75 pence. Here we have depreciation of 28%, so from 100% subtract 28%, you're left with 72%, so then we multiply the amount by 72p.